Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. You've prepared your content, your bio, stats, images, and brand assets. Now it's time to open Wix and start building your influencer media kit. In this video, we'll choose the perfect template that sets the tone for your entire site. Head over to Wix.com and click on Get Started. Log into your account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is free and only takes a few minutes. You can use your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple account. Once you're in, you should see this on your screen. Select Setup Without Chat because we will be designing our media kit ourselves without Wix's AI. Now Wix will ask what kind of website you're building. You can simply type in CV as it's close to a media kit. Once you're taken to your personalized dashboard, a pop-up will appear which will ask you a couple of questions, like what you'd like to call your website, and what apps you'd like to pre-install. Once you're done, click on Continue to Dashboard. On your dashboard, click on Design Site, and then select Pick a Template. And this is the template page. Feel free to browse through their template library. And if you watched the previous video, you'll remember that one of the things you need to prepare are at least 3 keywords that best describe your ideal site. You can use those keywords here on this search bar to quickly get to templates that you might like. To better view a template, you can enter its preview mode. So hover over a template you'd like to view and click on View. This is your chance to experience it like a visitor would. Check the homepage, bio sections, and the layouts. See if it matches the vibe or even just the structure you want for your brand. You can preview it both on desktop mode and on mobile mode to get a better view of what the structure is. Once you decide which template you want to use, click on Edit this site, and you will enter the Wix editor. And this is where you can customize your site and bring it to life. And that's what we're going to do in the upcoming videos. That's it for now, guys. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.